What is up, guys? I'm gonna get a little 3 to 4 mile run in. What is it? I think it's Thursday, February 27th. And yeah, I'm excited. Quick run after work. 3 mile run done, my bad. So I explored this beautiful new park over here at I don't know where I'm at. I'm just like 9 minutes away from where I work. But yeah, I did a 5K. It wasn't a very fast 5K because I was exploring this new park. It was a really nice park. I have some footage for you guys, and actually I'll show you guys in a bit. But yeah, it was a really good run. Honestly, I feel really good, and I'm so happy that I was able to get a run in today. But yeah, I mean, so far so good. I mean, 3.1 miles, 3.2, 25 minutes. It's not terrible, but then again, it's my first run since I was sick with COVID and the flu. So I feel good, and now is I feel good. So now it's time to go back home, and yeah, really good. I feel great. Yeah, I don't know what else to say, but yeah, I'll show you guys right now what it looks like. So yeah, peace out. About to go for a run right now. Not the most ideal weather, it's pretty cold. But you have to do what you gotta do. So today it's Saturday. Are we in the 1st of April? Yeah, right, April 1st by now.
March.
Oh yeah, March. Okay. Saturday, March 1st. I'm about to do a 3-mile run. And it's really cold, so I'm gonna hurry up and get ready, and then yeah, let's get this run, guys. Just got done with a 3-mile run, and let me show you guys right here. So I did 3 miles at 24 minutes, which is not too bad for my conditions right now. Pretty sore. So Friday I went to do a 5K after work, and then after that I did 1 hour of soccer at night. Yesterday was a bit of a rest day, so I didn't really do much, but I'm still like really sore. Actually, I'm more sore than I thought I was gonna be. So today was more of like an easier run. However, I still did my 3 miles, and tomorrow morning I have futsal. But I mean, so far so good. I feel good. It's really cold. It was definitely not an easy run, but I got it done. That's the important part. So yeah, I feel good. So far so good. Yeah, nothing really much to say, but I'm glad I came here for a run, and I got some footage for you guys, and we continue. So tomorrow, another day of work, and then yeah, so far so good. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. It's cold, very cold, very cold. Yeah. Roll up the window, baby. Mira. Are you still recording? Thoughts after my run. I feel very good. It is definitely really cold, so I suffered a lot. But If I'm being honest with you guys, if I'm being completely truthful, it's kind of hard to keep up the consistency when you have these like days where it's like super cold outside, or where you're not feeling great, or when I'm sore. And I'll blame myself for saying like, I'm too sore today, I'm not gonna do much, or it's too cold outside, I don't want to go ahead and run or train, for whatever reason, whether if it's the weather, how I feel my body. But today is one of those days where I teach myself that even though it's not the most ideal conditions for me to run, I still went and did it. And I'm proud of myself for that, because it's not an easy thing to do. And what helps me as a person is to do things that are not easy to do. Like today, cold, windy, really cold actually. And I went for a run. I did 3 miles. My body was sore, but I still did it. And before this run, I was like, man, I don't want to run. I don't want to do this. Like, it sucks today. I'm not feeling great. But I feel like this feeling I have right now after doing it feels better than... It's like the feeling of feeling good feels better than the feeling of not wanting to do something. It's a greater feeling, not a better feeling, but it's a greater feeling. So I'm thankful that I'm here. I'm thankful that I got 3 miles done. And that's something, that's 1%. So I'm glad, because it's a day where I taught myself something. Maybe something that I already knew, but I might have forgotten. So I like that, and I'm proud of myself for that. So what I want to continue doing, especially is that as I'm doing this whole rebuild process, is I want to teach myself something every day, you know, something like this. Maybe something minimal that will improve me 1%. So today I did this. Tomorrow I want to go ahead and challenge myself again to do something that is uncomfortable. So yeah.
What is up, guys? We're gonna get another training session here. I forgot my tripod, so right now I'm just using a trash can to hold my camera. So this is what we have to work with. But we're gonna get a really good session in today. And yeah, let's get into it, guys. I'm excited. So let's get it.
I'm gonna start with a little warm-up. Alright guys, so that was it for today's session. It was a good little session on a Friday, and I feel really good. And yeah guys, let's see, there's one more thing I wanted to talk about. Alright guys, so that was it for today's session. I feel really good. Ended off strong with some sprints. And yeah, I did the job. It got me tired working on my fitness already. And yeah, so I know it's been a while, but I wanted to so on Monday, or it was Monday, I went ahead and did a 10-mile run. Let me see. Monday, March 10th, I did a 10-mile run at night. Since then, my body has been pretty sore, to be honest. It was my first time out running over a year and a half. So that time, originally, it was supposed to be a 5K. But as I was running, I felt myself tiring out. And you know what? There was a point where I said, you know what, I'm just going to do 5. As I was running, it was hard to keep up, but then I continued going. And then I got into this one place called The Zone. And a lot of you guys that are runners or that like to do any sort of physical challenge, you know what that means, The Zone. A point of where your mind completely goes blank and your body numbs and you don't really feel any exhaustion or any pain. And you're just tunnel vision on just continuing without even thinking about anything, and time usually goes by fast. So I went ahead and at mile 5 I decided to run 10 miles. I just decided to challenge myself and see how much I can push myself. Unfortunately guys, both my cameras, well at least this one died on me. This one died, and then my memory card on this one is full, so I'm gonna record the last portion of this segment on my phone. So where I was at is running the 10 miles. I got off the couch, decided to go for a 10-mile run, which was not supposed to be a 10-mile run, but I did it. And after that, I felt really good. So for the rest of the days, I was just doing active recovery and basically just basically active recovery. I was pretty sore, especially during the Wednesday, 2 days after the run. It was painful, but anyways, I'm here Friday, got a session done. I'm looking to get up running today, and yeah guys, I mean, I'll see you guys around. Thank you guys for sticking with me. Yeah, on to the next one guys. I'll see you guys in a bit.